Hey folks, welcome back. Just a little impromptu video here for you guys. I got just under 2 pounds of pork loin chops. And to be honest, I was going to do them outside on the grill. Just a little quick meal for the family. Weather set in, got a little rain, so I'm bringing you back in here. We're going to air fry these guys. Put a little breading on them. Have no idea how it's going to turn out, but hey, let's get going and find out. Hey guys, right over here I just got some all-purpose flour. I got some 2% milk that we have on hand here. And these are just some Italian style breadcrumbs that we also had on hand here. And here's your chops, little fat cap over here. I'm just gonna leave that on, guys. I kinda like fat caps. And I just add some black pepper to the breadcrumbs. Get that well incorporated. And these have just been patted down just to get most of the moisture off. I'm gonna put a layer of flour on them. Running a little bit behind, so if this feels rushed, it might be because I'm rushing it. Alright guys, into the milk. Both sides. Straight into the breadcrumbs. And coat real well. All sides. I haven't done this before, so. There we go. I'll show you one more here. Dredge in the flour. Into the milk. To our breadcrumbs. Alright, I'll finish these up and we'll be back in just a second. Okay, I'm just going to spray down my basket here. It's got one I hope I can get them all in here. We're going to find out. Spray down my basket really good. I'm actually going to spray the tops of these. Might need some new oil. We'll try that. It's not a lot of oil, guys. Place these down here all side down. Hope this works. I think we're going to do this. Perfect. Perfect. And I'm going to spray the tops of these. But for some reason my camera does not like these numbers on this thing, so I'm going to, hopefully you can see this. I've got it on air fry setting. It's on set on 400. I don't really know here. I'm gonna set this down like the 380, and I'm gonna run this for 15 minutes. Oh, helps if I turn the right dial. I have a feeling we're going longer. As a matter of fact, let's go 20 minutes, and I'll just check it. And let's get her heated up. Alright guys, we are heated up. Pause this. Get these guys in and let her go. Check back here in a bit. Alright guys, we're about 12 minutes or so in here. I just want to take a look at these. Just to see where we're at. Breading up nicely. We're just about 90, 92 degrees there. Starting to get a little browning on the breading. There in the middle. You know what? I'm going to spin these around. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm going to spin these. Put them back in. I don't really know how much it matters, but that does seem like this one on this side was a little bit less done. Let's find out what's going on there. We're just gonna let it ride out and we'll see where we're at. All right, let's take a look at this, guys. So over here, they're looking really good. Let's check some temps. Feel good. 4. And we don't need much at all. I bet these back here are done. Don't touch it there, Rogers. Yeah, we're done there. We're done there. Yes, we're done, guys. I'm gonna get my family fed. We'll come back and do a taste test, guys. I don't know about you guys, but that pork chop looks delicious. Look at that. We are keeping it simple, guys. I just made up some macaroni and cheese straight from the box. Alright, we like that. Alright, I'm just reach in here and grab this. Give me a couple slices here. Alright. I have not tried these with this particular breadcrumb, so I'd like to see something new here. I like that. I almost used a different one, but that Italian style, I did add some extra pepper to it. But yeah, that's pretty good. Let me try another bite. Pretty good. Not bad for I was gonna just grill this out on the grill before it started raining, although the sun's shining now. Oh well. So good, guys. Guys, try this. It cooked perfectly. It got a little golden brown there. I liked it. Cooked it at 380. It actually went about 20 minutes and I was done. I did check it about 12 minutes in and it's close, so another 8 minutes did it perfect to 140, which to me for a pork like this is about perfect. 140 internal temp. So guys, thank you so much. This is good. Give it a try. Please hit that like button for us and subscribe if you haven't already. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.